Ecclesiastes.
The book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 3, I'm going to start at verse 12. I know that there is no good in them, but for a man to rejoice and to do good in his life. And also that every man should eat and drink and enjoy the good of all his labor. It is the gift of the Most High.
This is inidalas. See? Uli sa inidalas gi uno to. To. Fuyu ka first time. Moro bu. See? Same sarap. See? Good. What's that in Hebrew sa Israel? Yeah, where's the angle of the original of Christian, the water Christian? Christian but you can kasal of the see, anointed. Where's the kasal of? Where's the Nee. Please, anong parang please parang you see, guys, like fawetak A, libisma tapagulo tapu. You see, defet baka susuguro tapsani. You see, what sot paye kisfeng. What for not hifted. You see, go ahead. Arka antwoord van Bijbel.
Prediker hoofdstuk 2, vers 22.
Jij wil lezen in ieder vika verstijden. You see, go ahead.
Wat krijgt een mens dus als beloning voor al zijn werk?
You see, sot bolune je kies voor alawro ko sa idu tapaguro tapu. De ungas may vetok ay, emi apo ma amuse roko, ay, evine roko. Isa bito, berki ektomang. You see, go ahead.
Dagen, vers 23. Dagen gevuld met zorgen en verdriet en rusteloze voortwaken nachten.
You see, je wuroko, so sari, je weri, so verdriet, ya bapala ma eroko. Tok ko o sa ausita ke froe halwalo nonsense 8. You see, esse tak da sanat na no one nut. You see, apa pala ma eroko ta AI me sor gumi froe yere. Tok te ko ba, a froe duwa romol. You see na, kung isre festa e sumar me roko yung sang. You see, go ahead, senloos, go ahead.
Een onmoedigend idee. Daarom besloot
You see,
ik,
on onmoedigend idee, go ahead.
daarom besloot ik dat een mens niets beters kan doen
Ja?
dan genieten van eten en drinken.
You see, daarom ang mga sarap sita e inuman do next better jata paguron taputo, morolek nyang and drink ko. That no one tak og to tak e. Inomuroko, imuroko ya. Masola nga yung uroko, yung mapayi sa pinyang, that is alos. You see, malibis maisra ng jaso na nga tapayer ko no tapute de fen wa moni, te wan moro. Ta inamoro sa iwan dapeda sa ekona yutapu, de timan na nga satan ekona itapu. Tak AI, ay go ikan sex samandat, amana to giwa moni. Of ay ikan go na mati, I duso, go roof. De danga di kita ay sa ang sa mabjano sari yung. Maya nya diri, we see go roof abigi moni da. Sayo do anye. Tok tadi opo imnya yung dringi. Yapot moro hebi na yutapu. Isi tok tiok mo to ko sex samarat famoni. Au de inyu edetak sang midua ogri na mi mga bakayong. Amat amoni sa mga togi. Au para nuyos do taksang mi wakagimi mayong. Isi wana nunu de na omasana de waka. Money, try full day. Dede si money business ki. Ay hot famo. Ina mabakay na may tagbo yung meme mapuregi. Isi tamoni na tok bayos to no. We say you do so lang ayaw ma-esorgi yan niya dringi. That is everything. Nago sukuno. We saw ba yung bigi ketiki. You know man niya maketi. You see? That na inex sa ikakan meet. Ito drink ko. Amorok kon mang sabi dita paguro tapo King Salomon. You see? Ama baptized pro. Kudu. Ama apalays fu go to alasan fu ko gamang. Matok dama dry ko alasan baka to dama stag boy. No of the sadya na no one with me. Talk me titi. Spiritual power sa kamabi. Ta em amanat Betakso, nasa unum sa elina gro tapu jamu sanu.
Amambe takwa sa ako. Utaki ako ang boy, ma Euro ko feng, isang pata ako sa abi Euro.
Iya benabe.
Boy.
Nada betakso ito. Tak ala de gudu sama abi. Ala de sanat amam drak over game boy. Mapa mau du sabi tak aboy sama umeki. Tok okon le kamang. Isi ikame ko boy mama ne follow next fee. Matok te yote de yabi over ande alasan gamang. Yo danga de kita ala de sanya miro ko tranga. We spider ko yabi yo over ande ke giwamang sano do next. Isi it's worthless, it's not a loss. You see, the scripture is powerful. Tell sa Bible to. You'll be a forando sa pabigyan ko ta pero kalau yung na sumar yere. You see, na sumar we see up to entag jari. Ade yo kono mo sa siribi, you know masiribin alamala. You see, you know maray ala de 100 wagi say abi. You're weary as not a loss. You see, plus sinegwangan next. Makuno sande inatruja uforlat ala de sanat udray bakagi ala de sandati. Isi wana tat bede uplan ayung paywagi. Ay me tege rabi ba xiera marok x. You know ay me tegi mekina libi sabito. Ay no dele kamati esta kamat apmoni ana mai chame mo ate sodu. Isi ala de sanat na so wickedness. Isi manunu de sawel luku insani no speakers. Isi unu ne look up this tomorrow, this claric by na das na sa ko tegi unu people. If you know one nengri of one ingi. You see, you blood line of one nengri of one ingi. That na ako kusa follow for father. You see, if you know you study ya bani si the trapolo. You know you reading no degi you. Sabi to. Ma uno we look up new sani. Sa o degi unu fu e woke alte. Sabi to. Nanga sa father of bless uno. Mafosa kingdom dato kong walo san o kober. Isi walo tribulation san da pasi ekong. Isa fato. En na de sana tu abik brokopsa. En na de sana tu ko tegi des mata e sukat ko beror. Kom wer baya ektakrak. Isa fato ya hawo shay. Isi dat na sa tegi deng. Dat na ro ko fusa wedo. Unes panangawis manawang bribi of iwan parsan go of iwan sulet low mang. Wana so special. As ko isel low. What kayo libaray ko? Kaya ba nits to dun? Look at a photo de kubo kanit waka dudu ano sang. Isi wat uno na yung boy na datu bemdo. Isi. Go ahead.
This is the book of 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 13. Nevertheless, we according to his promise look for new heavens and a new earth wherein dwelleth righteousness.
Read it again.
2 Peter chapter 3 verse 13. Nevertheless, we according to his promise.
We according to his promise sumana we the Israelito starting with the elect ako kusa sa usay. You see, a boloftop amorohi wagi the Israelito na tak a kingdom sa ekong fo ewa kay alte nagi uno. We according to his promise. Sawe luko
Look for new heavens
we luko for a new himal. Go ahead.
and a new earth.
Nang a new gron tapo. Ang nata kingdom po ako ne kray ko himal. Ano le pare ke gimana de pastor tegi. Ot katen do himal say. Wa bigi jari de pecado de nang bumbigi apartment alama ako ang kamera. Nay. At kingdom ako ne kray ko himal o de chatap gron tapo. Kan. Let for a kingdom for the wit mananga de trapolo de chatap gron tapo. En uno etin demang. Isi uno de ondro ala den trapolo de nere nanga de igi. So uno o da hey and ala den trapolo o de inslaver ne ondro uno. Kan. Wat na de maopbouw uno kingdom op. Kan. You see, dus if you bloedlijn ne of one nere of one ingi, you stel op gislaver ne straight up. Kan. Sa Bible taki. Trapolo no up no salvation jaso. Lek pati de trapolo sa dahi, de mane prata guduk ding nanga uno. You see? Wanda de destination of the masa up money de understand de maka go na de mata ay wo watap siya de ingiere ay we start de mana te pina wo gi de money des mana kus ko de bere ku go yes de may do de sanat de may libung isi am dak na uno fluk sa wenya ondro kato fluku des dato tak de a kingdom of heaven no de gi de Israelito no mano makatil 8 pe okto uno o de royalty. What uno na royalty. We choose reflect king. Uno na future king. You see, future kings. Isabito, go ahead.
This is the book of Amos, chapter 9, verse 11. In that day will I raise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen, and close up the breaches thereof. And I will raise up his ruins, and will build it as in the days of old, that they may possess the remnant of Edom and of all the heathen which are called by my name, said Yahweh that doeth this.
Read it again.
Book of Amos, chapter 9, verse 11. In that day will I raise up the tabernacle of David.
You see, and that na sa i-rise up nuno de. At tabernacle fucking David. You see, the house of David, the Bayat Dawad da. Sabi to, the elect. Sabi to na this rise up nuno de. You see, go ahead and sa upsa.
In that day will I raise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen, and close up the breaches thereof.
You see,
And I will raise up his ruins, and will build it as in the days of old.
you see, au bawe kom baka, met andere the spiritual, na a body of Yahweh Shai. You see, go ahead.
Verse 12.
And this is, if they want sa every tax slaver they know they in a Bible, they verklaar this gini. Go ahead.
Verse 12. That they may possess
You see, tak uno at tabernacle people, tak elect de masa si Jaso, you see, tak de ma up in basit, sumo abing basit,
the remnant of Edom.
you see, arrested for the sukan of the Whitman, the Edomites, you see, go ahead, sumamoro,
And of all the
you see,
heathen.
nanga ala de hayden, you see, that what tak, go up the in basit, and the you abwasan in basit, saning, is for you, imagdu sa you one nanying.
Condom.
Is your ekodom. Dat wat ik de ma ogon slavernij.
And
You see? Go ahead.
which are called by my name, said Yahweh that doeth this.
You see? Dus dat wat ik wo ap slavo. En na omelisi ucha de sandat kwa fisi. Si manu de uno de tapa topic dat. You see? Ma we sorry you tak alasan na gronta puja wisa edu es neteloos. Isabi to? Go ahead.
It's the book of Daniel, chapter 12, verse 1. And at that time shall Michael stand up, the great prince, which standeth for the children of thy people.
You see, and in that time, so time, no de ude in a time that igpa, the time of destruction of this wicked kingdom called earth.
Kan.
You see,
trouble.
Jacob's trouble, that what a destruction at rangative den ningri, nanga de ingita pasi. You see, and in a tenda di, a archangel Michael, you see, sa ebaskeram uno, you see, in a di that na a elect obaskeram. You see, go ahead.
And there shall be a time of trouble, such as never was since there was a nation.
You see, what at the that they come. You see, read that again.
And there shall be a time of trouble, such as never was.
You see, and there shall be a time of trouble. Yung sa ikoto, boy, may nasa pa, agalit may shenk ba, may visionary batak eh,
Yes, that's the.
nasod, nasoong ko bear boy.
Yes, that's the bar. Woe is me.
You see?
me.
Des uno sila pwedeng tak eh, adi isay comboy, suma o deliver uno ma, u-upfate tak, yahaw ba, sumiyaw siya'y, o danga uno, o safe uno.
Kan.
If ade tak uno lot mus de tak dede, may begif tak dede in faith.
Kan.
Tak rise up bakalig de erstuan nga yahaw siya'y tau kumbaka.
Kan.
You see, but this I call the ascribi na Bible tag this I kong tag o de at o de one day sa noit de tapagron tapo at trouble this talk no trouble sa noit no comfort tapagron tapo that one tako heftok
Kan.
small tete
Kan.
you see ala de chip plana nga sa ibe meki ala malaw mes lek if inabat truja yo hori kindi sakay kindi bar kray you see hunger snout you see te angrop kiri yo bigay nyala des mafi ina oso. Ino ap ka na domoro na nga yu uma yu upa yu frau yupching. You see? Te angrek kiri yo bigay nyala de kadirto fisa diti ina jari fi. Luko sa istanunu de in Venezuela na alata des may bigay nyan. Ala den dago. You see? Ade people is asan like fun. Like na nga kick. You see? God.
And there shall be a time of trouble, such as never was since there was a nation, even to that time, even to that same time, and at that time thy people shall be delivered, every one that shall be found written in the book.
Read the last part again. Arkiere.
And at that time thy people shall be delivered, every one that shall be found,
Ala de wan sa o save. Na sumana de wan sa o save.
that shall be found,
That shall be found. The wan sa o de wan sa neng o de. Kofondo in sang
written in the book,
in the book.
and many of them that sleep in the dust of the earth shall awake, some to everlasting life, and some to shame and everlasting
You see,
contempt.
dus ala de wan sa dede ina true. You see, de wan at o wiki kung sama na nga yawo say and de wan at to o ofena ewa ko lifo. And at tuy derde panisa po Israel sa o dede ma de no dede ina true do wiki kung baka ina kingdom ma in ewa sheng. You see, sheng o kisi wa disre po stak ibeyera true man. Ibeyera true man. Lugo werkolog man. Moro betrembe arkiere madalatik bawande sita ala de wan say be silek lolo wana strati be taka wurtu pa moro iwang ala de wan de an top isabito lor tweleng unu na de mana ti isabito
The book of Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 7. Alas, for the day is great, so that none is like it. It is even the time of Jacob's trouble, ye shall be saved out of it.
read it again.
Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 7. Alas, for the day is great, so that none is like it. It is even the time of Jacob's trouble.
See, it is even the time of Jacob's trouble, and Jacob represents the so-called blacks, Latinos, and Native Americans. See, so-called white people, they represent the nation of Esau, Edom.
Okay.
See, the Edomites. See? Go ahead.
But he shall be saved out of it.
You see, but he shall be saved out of it. So mana he shall be saved. Elect. Apchiso ko dilto. You see, ang anot pirang pertog 1,000 prophet na nga de wasa obrib de prophet. You see, the one that was saved. Ala de trawo tete. Ala de wasa obrib in Jesus. Jehovah nang ala de sana de romol da ala de mana to perish. You see? Go ahead.
The book of Revelation chapter 7 verse 9. After this I beheld, and lo, a great multitude which no man could number, of all nations and kindreds and people and tongues, stood before the throne and before the Lamb, clothed with white robes and palms in their hands. Revelation chapter 7 verse 9. After this I beheld, and lo, a great multitude which no man could number, of all nations and kindreds and people and tongues.
You see? Dato ataki, a great multitude, a kruto masa, sa Yohanos Shidape, fu alat tongo, ala folok, you see, na alap ching, you see, dari kirkima na dape, tato wag des tombol yung blog gide pastor nga di kirkima sa ipinta aya bigim masa dat, na nga ala folok, na nga ala talo, you see, da na alas maosave, nay! O natas kiripitak, anisa fu Israel, panyain ala de folok. You see, that badul nga a great multitude. You see, that yung up people Israelita sa egers nisi, yung up Israelita sa egers Japanese, yung Israelita sa egers wetmang. You see, na de wan sa obribi inatru, mafro ng apching. Natat na sa i-represent akruto masa ina Bible. Ano, ala folok tapaguro tapu. You see, go ahead.
And after this I beheld, and lo, a great multitude which no man could number, of all nations,
See, and that emakadil ay fu a inder sa kusig, that tina inder do tu. Isabi to?
kindreds and people and tongues, who stood before the throne and before the Lamb, clothed with white robes and palms in their hands. Verse 10, and cried with a loud voice, saying, Salvation to our power, which sitteth upon the throne, and unto the Lamb. And all the angels stood around about the throne, and about the elders and the four beasts, and fell before the throne on their faces, and worshipped the Most High.
See? Dus ala de warat ke do safe talk, do defes ala de elder. You see? E ampegi, e give thanks. Tak ai usay. Isabi to yawo ba shim yawo shy. Yawo ba shim yawo shy to wado yawo ba shim yawo shy. Isabi to.
It's the book of the book of second Esdras chapter 2 verse. I'm gonna start at verse 42. I Esdras saw upon the Mount Zion a great people whom I could not number, and they all praised the Lord Yahweh with songs. And in the midst of them there was a young man of a high stature, taller than all the rest, and upon every one of their heads he set crowns, and was more exalted, which I marveled at greatly. So this attack abra affision sa Esdras, si prophet Esdras, be amay si de elect. De 144 dusu manengere. Sabi to pwede may kis de crown. This na affision that Esdras is si amay si de elect father. Isi walo mayong ana mabe si wamang taller than every ala de trawang, sabi to sa egiden crown. Sabi to en amarat na Yahushai. You see? And that attack abra de 144,000 elect men. Sabi to sabi receiving the crowns for Yahushai. So I asked the angel and said, "Sir, what are these?" This the Esdras, a prophet Esdras si aksa engel sana this. Sabi to sana sabi si. Mesi wamang sabi to giwan to trama crown, sabi to amay put crown tap de ma ani wanti. Verse 45. He answered and said unto me, "These be they that have put off the mortal clothing and put on the immortal, and have confessed the name of the Most High."
And have confessed the name of the Most High. You see, and that na sa wechakong. Ano dat we do?
Tan.
Ano confess we confess aning?
Yato.
Yahweh Shai.
Tan.
Yahweh wa Yahweh Shai.
Tan.
Uno deja inanef Jesus.
Put on the immortal clothes and
See?
met under the kiswan yung body.
One new skin.
Yato.
Ukiswa onsterfelijk lichaam. A body is the sterfelijk. Dat nou of the blessed too.
Ja, man.
Sabi to? Go ahead.
He answered and said unto me, "These be they that have put off the mortal clothing and put on the immortal, and have confessed the name of Yahweh. Now are they crowned and receive palms."
See?
Now are they crowned and receive palms. Is na data engel ete a prophet Esdras matak. Dis na de man, isabi to, sa tsara sabi po verkondig aning, isabi to, ku Yahweh ba shim Yahweh shay tapag
Dwaro ko tu.
Isabi to, di mga dwaro ko. Isabi to,
Hindi, naso yung sigba sa laki. Naso yung sigba tag alasan for spell pa. Kung father is do dahil lupo pa film play pa mo kintot ito. Ay, sa
Bukuna,
You see, diyan so engole sigba pa awa sa kari Jesus ine na Yahweh siya epot krung tab de ma ede. A elect ako kuso ko dito ano alasma ano ala folok tu so ani siya fu Israel den nengre nanga de ingi. If you know a bus kondre you know a princess fu amoro hiwang. You see, my that ino sabi.
fucked out.
You see, lost. Go ahead.
Verse 46. Then said I unto the angel, "What young person is that? Is it that crowneth them and giveth them palms in their hands?" Is the Esdras si aksa engon, okay da. Sumana ama sa isabi to sa igideng de crown nga de wati. So he answered and said unto me, "It is the Son of the Most High, the Son of Yahweh, and that a son of Yahweh that na Yahweh Shai." Sabi to, ama sa kari Jesus, truning na Yahweh Shai. Whom they have confessed in the world, and that is what we're doing. Sabi to, we confess aning fu Yahweh Shai. When they confess aning Jesus,
Nay.
when they confess aning Yeshua,
Yehufa, Yashaya, Ahaya, Allah, Buddha, Kali, Krishna. Uno tanga de sandati, de sanat na so peikolo. Sanat na so God of the nation. Uno power. Puden nengre nangade nangade inji na amoro heiwang. Sawe karti de dita pagro tapuk gado. Maano gado na ining. Gado na wat title. God batikon power. God batikon in Hebrew Allah. Kaya dat nasa de Islam etaki. Ay Allah. Na wat title. Gado ne ano een titel. You see? En na Yahweh. En de boy awan sawe kar Jesus. Sa de wet man pot gono. Fu bribi. En ano Jesus en na Yahweh shai.